Hello everyone. So I have finally turned my coupon rule around. This is my long table. I see I got that good smelling Miss Myers candle going on over there. We cleaned out a bucket and all these pencils and pens. Erica is still in there cleaning out something. So I am going to pause my video and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to take these to work, drop them off. Maybe somebody will want these. I don't know. All these pencils, all those paper clips, my speaker, rain checks from 2016, 2015. Think about it is these things never expire. At least that's what I hear. I never really taken any back to find out. So I'm going to clean this table off and I will be back. So it is clean. I'm taking these to work on Monday, so that's why I'm leaving these right here on the table. These, I got my pencils. I don't need a trillion pencils and pens. There's some of my peppermints in there. I like my candles burning. That's my cup of juice. So I got all that right there. So my table is clean. I still need to wipe it off some more. There's my speaker that's not hooked up. I like to leave these here because they smell so good. I think I got 2 of them over there. These